No Fabric 2024 new version release now with vibrant color customization, lighter in weight, and with the convenience of USB-C type charging. Originality and expressiveness. CHEMION is the first brand to offer fully customizable LED products, ideal for personal expression at social events like parties, concerts, and sporting events. Customizable display. With the tip of your finger, you can light up your message and make it stand out. This feature includes text, drawing animation, and equalizer display. Semi-transparent vision. While wearing the CHEMION glasses, the view might be slightly blurred, but there's still enough visibility to comfortably and safely navigate your surroundings. Cross-platform support. Design animations on iOS, Android, and PC, with the PC version optimized for detailed animation creation, and transfer seamlessly to the CHEMION glasses. Ever tried to impress at a party but ended up blending in? I once wore a neon shirt thinking it screamed life of the party. Turns out, it screamed lost tourist instead. Not my proudest moment. Then I discovered something that made me the center of attention instantly. Meet CHEMION LED glasses, your ticket to unforgettable party vibes. Customized text, animations, or even sound reactive designs with just your finger. Want bold colors? The 2024 version lets you switch them up effortlessly. Lightweight design and USB-C charging mean you're ready anytime, anywhere. Create animations on iOS, Android, or PC for next-level personalization. Semi-transparent vision ensures you won't trip over your own coolness. CHEMION glasses, where tech meets style for parties, concerts, and beyond. So ditch the neon shirt. It's time to light up your message. Customer reviews, 4.3 out of 5 stars, no one. My teen that does a lot of cosplay used her own money to purchase these, and she squealed when she saw them. I'll quote her directly, "This is the greatest thing I've ever got from Amazon. The quality is worth the money. These are super cool."